Thermal power plants remain one of the most important sources of electricity generation in 2026 because they provide reliable and continuous power for homes, factories, hospitals, and transportation systems. These power stations work by converting heat energy into electrical energy using boilers, steam turbines, and generators. Fuels such as coal, natural gas, oil, and nuclear energy are commonly used to produce the heat needed for steam generation. Modern thermal power plants now use advanced technologies that improve efficiency, reduce fuel consumption, and lower harmful emissions. Despite the rapid growth of renewable energy, thermal power plants continue to play a major role in maintaining stable electricity supplies around the world. Combined cycle gas plants, supercritical boilers, and smart automation systems have made modern thermal stations cleaner and more efficient than older facilities. Many countries are investing in next-generation thermal technologies that include carbon capture systems and environmentally friendly solutions to balance energy demands with sustainability goals.